It's not possible to make people happy always because everyone has their own unique emotions and experiences that shape their happiness. However, here are some general tips that may help bring happiness to others. Show kindness and compassion. Acts of kindness, such as offering a listening ear, helping with a task, or giving a compliment, can help boost someone's mood. Be present and attentive. Give people your undivided attention when you're spending time with them. This can help them feel valued and appreciated. Celebrate successes and milestones. Whether it's a birthday, graduation, or new job, acknowledging and celebrating someone's achievements can help them feel happy and proud. Express gratitude. Thanking others for their help or expressing gratitude for their presence in your life can help foster positive emotions and improve relationships. Share positive experiences. Sharing enjoyable experiences, such as going on a hike or seeing a movie, can help create positive memories and strengthen bonds. Remember, everyone's experience with happiness is unique, and it's essential to respect people's emotions and boundaries. Don't try to force happiness onto others, but instead, focus on creating a positive and supportive environment.